Hello mga palangga! Welcome back again to my channel. Yes. Last time I cooked salmon head sinigang and this time pork sinigang. So let's talk about sinigang mga palangga. The variation of sinigang are sinigang sa mesu, sinigang sa bayabas, sinigang sa mangga, sinigang sa kalamansi, sinigang na baboy, sinigang na baka, sinigang na isda, sinigang na hipon, at sinampalukang manok, mga palangga. Well, mga palangga, sinigang is a tamarind-based. The variation of the soup dishes derive their sourness from ingredients such as guava, calamansi, kamyas, santol, or unripe mango. And the seasoning powder with tamarind-based are commercial alternatives to using natural fruits. And sinigang is one of the Filipino dishes that everyone loves, especially if paired with rice. I think lahat naman ng ulam mga palangga is not complete without rice, diba? You know what mga palangga? I read from an article of Mickey Bombar, Lords of the Drinks, in short, manginginom or hari na manginginom. Ayan. He has a list of international hangover food or taste of the international anti-hangover cuisine. According to Mickey Bombar, mga palangga, in the Philippines, the most well-known hangover cure is called balot. Ayan. And the second effective cure is called pork sinigang. Ayan. What do you think mga palangga? Agree ba kayo? Well, kung ganyan lang naman kasarap ang kakainin, in order to get rid the hangover, why not, di ba? Oh. So, tara na't maglutuan tayo mga palangga. Baka humaba pa lalo ang aking intro. Okay? Okay. So, here are my complete ingredients for my pork sinigang. Ayan. So, I have garlic, onions, string beans, long green chilies, tomatoes, eggplant, radish, ginger, okra or ladyfinger, and of course, colocasia esculenta. Ayan. Scientific name of gabi yon mga palangga. So, gabi or taro. Salt and pepper, yes. Lalagyan ko siya ng spinach mga palangga since wala akong kangkong. And of course, talagyan ko siya ng pork nor cubes. Also, water. Ayan. And tamarind powder with gabi or nor sinigang na may gabi. And lastly, hindi kompleto ang ating pork sinigang without pork, syempre. I have two kinds of pork here. Pork meat and pork ribs. Ayan, para may buto-buto ang ating pork. So, maglutuan na tayo mga palangga. Okay, let's start mga palangga. I'm gonna put 2.5 liters of water here. Then, let's put our pork. Pork ribs and pork meat. And then, I'm gonna put my pork nor cubes. Onions. Garlic. Ginger, tomatoes, mga palangga. Ayan, nilagay kong buo. Salt and pepper. May white and black pepper. And then let's bring it to boil and simmer for 40 minutes or until our pork become tender. Okay, mga palangga, after 40 minutes, I'm gonna smash the potatoes. When the pork is already tender, I'm gonna add radish, gabi, and long green chilies. Here's the gabi, radish, our chilies, and also I'm gonna put the sinigang mix. And simmer for 5 to 8 minutes, mga palangga. After 5 to 8 minutes, mga palangga, I'm gonna add my okra, eggplant, and string beans. Okra, string beans, eggplant, and simmer again for another 5 minutes. And lastly, mga palangga, spinach. And let's simmer this for 1 minute and then tapos na tayo, mga palangga. It's time to serve, mga palangga.